If you regularly work with wood, you may have previously considered purchasing a benchtop jointer. But if you have never used one or are unaware of what a benchtop jointer is, don't worry. I'm here to help. I've spent some 20 years working with wood and power tools, so I believe I know a thing or two about them. So, here's what I intend to do. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best benchtop jointers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Craftsman 10 amp. First up is this model by Craftsman, and I find this to be an excellent benchtop jointer. For me, the power delivered by this tool is impressive, and the fact it can produce 22,000 cuts every single minute is amazing. I also love that it comes with a variable speed option, and I like this as it does mean you can achieve better control over your project as you move between 6,000 RPM and 11,000 RPM, respectively. I find this adjustment exceptionally easy to do, and this ease of adjustment is a common theme with this model. Number 2. ShopFox 6-inch. This ShopFox benchtop jointer may be small in size, but where it's lacking in size, it certainly makes up for it in its capabilities. For instance, you get a 112 HP motor capable of pushing those knives to speeds of 10,000 RPM. Also, it makes some 20,000 cuts per minute, which I find to be more than adequate. This model comes with a maximum cutting depth of, but that's sufficient for the type of job it's lined up. I also love that you can change the angle from -45 to +45 degrees, which is exceptionally easy. Number 3. Porter and Cable 6 variable speed. If you are searching for a portable benchtop jointer thanks to its weight, then this model by Porter and Cable is one I would highly recommend. After all, the model weighs just 35 pounds, and that's practically nothing regarding this type of tool. But that's not the only reason why I think you should seriously consider purchasing this tool. It also has a wonderful variable speed option that is quick and easy to use. It means it can change between 6,000 RPM and 11,000 RPM, so you can decide on how much control you want over your project. Number 4. Porter Cable. These benefits start with a weight of 35 pounds. You should be able to move it around your shop without issue. Product dimensions of 30 inches L x 18 inches W x 13.5 inches H keep it compact, allowing you to store it easily. A 10 amp electric motor will supply enough power to generate up to 11,000 RPMs under no load conditions. The motor can be turned down to 6,000 RPMs, but I cannot foresee the need to operate the jointer that slow. Number 5. Delta Midi-Benchtop jointer. The cast iron fence and table provide you with an accurate surface due to the precision milling process. These items will hold shape no matter how much torque is generated by the cutting head. That cast iron construction adds to the weight of this model, which comes in at 76 pounds. You may find it difficult to move this jointer around by yourself. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.